Vegas Fruity here, Kat, and we are headed on our way out to the Las Vegas Speedway. It is my husband's birthday today. Happy birthday, Walt.
Thank you.
And he wanted to go see Aviation Nation, which is out at the base. So they make you park out at the Speedway, which is what, like 20 minutes out of town, I think it is. And then you take a bus all the way back in. And so hopefully we'll see maybe an air show and some airplanes, and just, you know, really praying for safety of everybody who's there today. So I hope you have a great... There they go, the race cars. Oh, they're not going very fast now, they slowed down. Alright, so we're walking out here, trying to get to the bus area at the Speedway. So yeah, we're watching some fancy cars do their thing. And now I'm feeling kind of bad that I didn't remember to bring a hat or a hat for the boys because the sun's out today, and I'm lucky I got a layer of makeup on for some SPF, but I really should have brought a hat. Alright, so these are the people waiting for the buses. I told my husband it's like that scene from I Am Legend in the movie where everybody's like trying to get out of the city, you know, and there's like this mass exodus and nobody was allowed out and the bridge breaks and all hell breaks loose. Anyway, I hope we get there. Alright, we're getting close. I hope. Alright, I guess this is a C5, C5M. We rode one of these big planes from Germany to Goose Bay, Canada, long time ago. What a ride, I'll tell you. Alright, if this is a C-130, this is what we flew over from Torrejon, Spain to Aviation, Italy. Alright, this one's similar to the 141, which this is not, but we actually rode this one from, I think, Italy to Germany. And this one, and they had long benches on the inside, and we had to sit on the benches like we were going to drop out in parachutes, and it was very loud and very cold. And here comes Isaiah. Whoa, great flip, buddy. great day. And we're going to go back. Say hi, Shane. He's very tired. We're going to go back to our car in the blue lot.
To the 45 of Seattle. Make that Ruben Randall running this plant. Heck of a catch. In traffic, gain of 11.
All right, so we're leaving now. Thanks for coming with us.
Thanks.
Bye. See you next time.